It's Saturday and I am so tired. Not sleepy, I should say. I am tired, like my body is so tired. Anyway, so I'm still in bed. It's literally about to be afternoon. And Des just came in here to get Kalia because she was knocked out too. And then I think they're going to Five Below. And y'all, have you guys ever had a dream like this? Okay. First, in the beginning of my dream, I was pregnant. Like, I have found out I was pregnant. I was looking at the steak and all of that, and I was just really excited because I'm like, Kalia and Jericho are gonna have like a baby sibling, like from me, you know? I ended up having like a baby shower or something like that. And in the baby shower, I don't know, there was just like weird stuff going on in the baby shower. It literally seemed like a movie. Like, I don't know, it was weird. Like people with superpowers and shit. It was weird, okay? But let's focus on the baby. I'm over here trying to come up with names. It's weird because I had a baby shower, but I had already had the baby. Because I guess like it came early or something. Or before my baby shower. And I hadn't picked a name for him. It was a boy, by the way. I hadn't picked a name for him yet. And I'm like thinking of names, and I can literally hear the names in my dream. Like, I thought of Elias, I thought of Jeremiah. Mind you, these names are not names that I have for my future children. Jeremiah, Julian, I'm like trying to remember my dream. Usually I write it down, but I'll just be recording it. I can't remember Isaiah, but long story short, I was holding the baby in my dream. Him was a little chunk hers, okay? And when I woke up, I felt like I was missing something. Like I literally, even now, like I feel weird. Like I feel like I don't have my baby. Isn't that so weird? Like I literally, I feel like I'm getting teary-eyed. It's so weird because it's like I don't have a baby, but I woke up feeling like I was missing him. Anyways, I don't know, that was just so weird. Like I don't think I've ever had a dream like that before. But anyways, today, like I said, is Saturday. My sister wants to go to Busch Gardens, but honestly, like I feel exhausted. I feel so tired, and I honestly do not want to go. But yeah, I have to work. Yesterday I didn't work, so I'm gonna work literally right now. I'm about to sit at my desk and work because I do not want to get a hunchback, and I be feeling like I be hunched a lot. So yeah, no, I'm like, I don't want a hunchback. Anyways, I'm gonna stop blabbing and get my ass up. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is, I don't even know what today is, honestly. What is today? October 12th. And wow, time flies. Anyways, so today is October 12th, and I am currently finishing up with a vlog that I'm gonna post literally right now. By the way, it's 3:14 p.m. and I have my computer literally right here, and I'm charging my Apple Watch right here. I showered. I just put on this Halloween shirt, put on some Adidas pants, and I'm gonna go comfy to Busch Gardens today. Today is Busch Gardens Day. Shout out to Busch Gardens for the tickets. Shout out to them so much. I really freaking appreciate it. And shout out to Cassidy over at Busch Gardens for the tickets. I really freaking appreciate it. I'm gonna go with Jericho. I hope Jericho is up for it because he just came back from playing soccer with his dad at the soccer field and he looks exhausted, but we shall see how he feels. My body, after this whole week and last week of working out, look at, oh, I thought that was Jericho. I'm tired. Hi, Mamash. How are you?
Good.
Kylie's girl's not gonna go because she will be super scared.
Are you crying?
Yeah, she would be super scared. I know my baby. So there's an event right now for Halloween called Scream, and you know they have like those characters that just be popping up on you and stuff like that. So I don't want her to be scared. Yes.
What time are they going?
We're going in like an hour. We're leaving in like an hour. So you could play for a little bit. Anyways, I'm gonna do my hair really quick and then I'm gonna wait for my sister to hit me up and then we're gonna be out to Busch Gardens. I honestly have a love-hate relationship with like Halloween and like the fall and stuff like that. Like clearly I like Halloween. I like the movies and stuff like that around Halloween time, and I like the costumes. Like I like the whole behind the scenes of it and like how there's actually like a person underneath all of that scariness, but the actual fright of it all I don't like. Okay, I don't like all of that. Like I've always wanted to be the one who like puts on the costume or the, you know, the makeup and stuff like that and like pretend to be like a zombie or like something scary. But for them to come at me, I don't like. But we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun.
Hey, I got a bad habit with my bad habits. It's like I see everything that I need, but I just can't grab it. I always let bad things take over me, man. I'm a damn addict. Cause the highs feel better.
It took like an hour, more than an hour to get in. There's so many people. But we are in Busch Gardens, Scream. Drink time! Carla, let me see your drink. Carla. No, it's just for the vlog. Cheers! Okay, we're looking for food now.
Yeah.
Halloween Town!
I want to go for Luna.
Go with Alina. Damn, that's for the food. Nice. Everywhere, all the rides are packed, all the food is packed, all the drinks are packed. There's just people everywhere. Goodness gracious. I don't know. Funnel cake, that's the only thing that looks like it's not packed. Funnel cake it is.
I want a lot of shit. And I want a little cake too.
Okay, we got some funnel cake. The kiddos are over here. Simon got his apple pie one.
Yes, sir.
Carla got her regular one.
I'm a plain Jane.
And then I got a Cinnabon pecan one. Oh, it looks blurry. There you go. You guys, so we got funnel cakes, right? Because we were hungry and we all, well, the kids over here wanted their own.
No, I did it. No,
Okay, Alina wanted her own.
we should have got 2. This is too good.
Yes, and we have 4 here. And bro, we're all we thinking about is food, like other food, not this. Look at this. I only ate a little tiny bit.
Chicken nuggets, fries, appetizers, You guys are making me hungry. It's making me mad.
I'm like, what time does Chili's close? And Alina's like, what time does Applebee's close? We're hungry because all the lines here are so long. Yeah, let's get on it. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alina doesn't want to. Okay, we're about to get on this little sky ramp thingy. What happened?
Hold this real quick. Hold this real quick.
Oh, okay.
Last Thanksgiving. Bye bye.
Woo! Oh, and it's dark. Ah! Whoa!
This is definitely why I don't like
You scared? Yes.
Why? That's not the car one. I never did a look before.
Yeah, that should look lit. Okay, you guys, we are on this thing and it's so dark because look, I had to put my flash. How are you feeling, Pookie? We're almost done. It's about to go down.
I got I'd rather walk.
Jericho, this was not that scary.
I know, but I don't
We're almost done.
I don't play with heights.
We could like bring sweatshirts and
Yeah, that's I like that smell. It smells like VR.
everybody here? Yes.
Uh-oh. He's looking at somebody.
That was scary. Hello.
Bumper cars time. Ali, look over here. Jericho is over there somewhere. Hi, Jericho. Where's your mom? Oh, Carla over there. Ali, look over here. Move it, Jericho, move it. Press the button. Oh shoot, how do you move from here? We're about to get on the boat.
Country.
You scared?
Last time I got on this, I fainted.
You
I
fainted?
passed out.
You passed out? All right, y'all. Warning, put your volume down for the next like few seconds.
I'm gonna fade again already.
We're currently in Applebee's. Cookie's sleeping.
Yo, turn around.
Dig in. Sorry, puppy. Food time.